Let me tell you one most unexpected thing that happened when we went on a vacation. We didn't plan it, first of all. We didn't script it. We just enjoyed, we just came with the whole event, whole vacation. We were walking in the beach, all the blue, cold air, green, weather, all of us started singing. No reason, no fear, just pure relief. And after 3 minutes, we started laughing like mad. I realized something in that moment. Women don't need motivation. Women just need to release. We carry so much inside: fear, pressure, expectation, comparison. We don't scream, we swallow, and then we wonder why we feel tired. Business fear is exactly like that. Instead of releasing fear, we women delay, stay silent, doubt ourselves. Sometimes you just need to scream and move. Now let me take you to the toy train, which we boarded. This is so cute, so famous, so slow. Our social media makes it look like a dream, dreamy. Reality is beautiful, yes, but when we wanted to go for a toilet, midway, nature called us, the strong wind, and suddenly expectations crashed. No toilet, no voice, no sympathy. We sat there smiling for photos, while internally thinking, why did I bring so much pain? And I thought, this is exactly how women enter business. Expectations, I'll enjoy, it will be flexible, it will feel very free. But the reality is, so many questions, learning curve, discomfort, adjustments. Expectations say business will be smooth.
Thoughts in my head, a
Reality
collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I never several ages of vacant. Modern kingdom with a take
and realized I remembered photos more than the feelings itself. And suddenly it hit me. This is exactly how women do businesses
I
on
don't ever
social
slow
media
up,
and
no
all.
I don't take shit. I got
So
no
busy
love
creating
for the
content,
fakeness. If you wanna play
chasing
tough
trends,
and wanna hate
but
this,
they
I'll
forget
always show
why
up
they
and make a
started, who
statement.
they
I
want
don't
to
ever
serve,
slow up,
how
no
they
I don't
want to
take shit.
feel.
I got no
Present
love for the fakeness. If you wanna
performance,
play tough and wanna
the
hate
Sutra
this,
Disha
I'll always show
Mahalakshmi
up and
understands
make a
something very
statement.
important. Life is not a photo shoot. Business is not a performance. Both are meant to be experienced, not constantly recorded. Screaming in the woods taught me release fear. The toy train taught me expectation versus reality, adjust gracefully. The photos taught me be present, not perfect. Let me say this lovingly. You don't need to look confident. You don't need to look confident. You need to feel safe. You don't need to look successful. You need to enjoy the journey. If business feels heavy, if you feel like you're performing all the time, if fear is sitting quietly inside you, then do join my free masterclass at esutra.com. I'm your mentor, Yeshodari. Let's release the fear. Let's adjust the expectations. Let's build a business you can actually live, not just post about. Thank you for listening to this podcast.